Okay, so this is a video I wanted to make about Blackrock. This is black rock that's found with quartz. You can see little tiny black speckles in there. This black rock right here is a gold containing rock. See how the gold on the face? This rock is abnormally heavy. When you feel it, you could feel the weight of it is extremely dense. Blackrock, like the company, they chose the name Blackrock because there's gold hidden inside these black rocks. You hear the sound of it. Hear the sound of when it hits the ground. Listen to the sound on the plate. You hear how soft it is. You can hear the sound of the gold inside of it. It's very dense and very heavy. And this is just one example of black rock that has gold on it. I have other examples. This is one that's more iron based. You can see the rust in it. It's more higher in iron concentration. Same type of tinging noise. This one's a little bit more irony because you hear the iron tinging. It's a little bit less soft. It's more like iron, but it has a little bit of softness to it still. Well, these are all of my specimens that I got for just a day's worth of collection, and there's all sorts of little pieces in here, and most of them all contain gold. This is a high gold bearing. This is very lightweight quartz or some type of shiny glass material in the middle, and then on the outside is all gold. It's all alloy of gold. It's alloy of gold and some other metals. You can feel the weight distribution is heavier towards this bottom face right here. So the face that's up, this is the lighter face because of this big chunk right here, which is missing and showing the rock pattern you can see in there. But there's gold attached to this outside layer of it. And the inside stuff is real lightweight and airy. Another example is another rock that has gold in it. And most people wouldn't even know that there's gold in these rocks. But there's gold in the rocks. And to see the surface, this has a slight more mixture between gold and iron, about equal parts. Yeah. This is another one. It's more iron based. See the rust. Kind of like the color of that one. I can get this to freaking focus. Anyways, a lot of these rocks. This one's a black rock on the inside, and it's got gold on the surface. Some of these little ones are hard to even see. You can get them. You can feel the weight of these little tiny rocks. They're kind of heavy for their size. You can see the shimmer of the gold in it. It's all microscopic gold, and so it doesn't really work together, but you can see the overall shimmer inside of it. It had to be reformed into a solid form. But yeah, there's lots of gold in the creeks and rivers around the world. There's lots of gold all on the surface of this planet. Tons of gold. Okay, that's just a pure little flake of gold right there. Like these are what you're looking for when you're looking for little thin pieces. When you're panning with your, like I pan with my hand, just sifting through rocks, and these little tiny pieces like this, these will end up at the bottom of your hand because they're the heaviest. They got gold in them, so all that stuff goes to the bottom, and all the lightweight stuff floats up to the top and washes off. You can get the quartz and stuff to wash off, and but yeah, all these are like some of this stuff you wouldn't even realize there's gold in it. The normal person wouldn't realize. I know, and all this is oxidized because it's all containing metals in it, including iron. And now that this has been out of the water, it's oxidized, so the color is harder to see. On when these are fresh out of the water, they're easier to see. But yeah, this is a really good specimen. And I'll show you one really good one, which is the bigger size piece of thing. Let's see. Let's show you all these. Okay. These all contain gold. Hard to tell. Because once they come out of the water, they start to oxidize. See, this one has a lot of iron. The iron oxides over, which kind of hides the gold. So you can tell when it's in the water. You can feel the substantial weight of this. Like, this one's really fucking chunky heavy. Like, close to a pound on its own. Not more. Maybe a pound and a half. This one's super thin. You're not looking at the shiny parts aren't the like the reflective parts. That's just the rock. It's the yellow that's on it is what's important. Really yellow on that one. And these are all like black rocks, and they naturally have, they're right next to the quartz bands, and they get gold stored inside of them a lot. So there's a lot of gold here. Like this one's got a lot right near this end right here. See all that color right here, right there. That's all. That's a little bit more irony right here, but this is more gold. And yeah. Anyways, that's that. You can see the quartz band here. This is in the quartz, and this is full of gold in here. This entire rock. It's all trapped inside of it. So, anyways, hope y'all enjoyed my little short video here. And yeah, fly. It ended up being a 10-minute long video showing some of the gold I found, but that's just how it goes. But yeah, there's tons of gold out there, and people just don't know it. They're all looking for perfect little specimens, perfect little gold flakes. No one's looking for gold containing ore. It's really funny to me. Anyways, love you all. Hope you have a glorious, magnificent, wonderful, beautiful, awesome, amazing, incredible existence in time. See you in the next video. And if you want to spread this knowledge, you can hit hype. Hype this video and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Love you all. Bye.